Hello and welcome to the American Story Chapter 2, 0. I've got lots of words and examples for you today. Let's get right to them. Greetings everyone, this is Ibrahim and you're watching the American English on YouTube. Alright, let's start with the first word we have today. That is trip. Trip means to go somewhere and then come back. When people go somewhere and then come back, we can also say they go on a trip or they take a trip. Go on a trip, take a trip, the same thing. You can say, I will go on a trip to Paris. Or you can say, I will take a trip to Paris. It means I will go to Paris and then I will come back. Next word is fish. You know fish. This is fish, right? The word fish can also be a verb, to fish. If I say, I like to fish or I like to go fishing, that means this, what you see in this picture. So the verb to fish means to catch fish. I like to fish, I like to go fishing. Some people like to go on fishing trips. Fishing trips. What do you use to catch fish? You can't fish with your own hands, right? You can't catch fish this way. You need to use something. Maybe you can use a fishing net. Fishing net. Some people use fishing nets to catch fish. So this is a fishing net. When you throw the net into the water, we say cast. Cast the net. Cast the net. Cast means throw. Cast the net. Throw the net. Casting the net is not easy. You must practice it first. Let's look at this guy here. He can't cast the net. Poor guy, he doesn't know how to cast a net. Poor guy, he doesn't know how to cast a net. When you say poor guy like that, it doesn't mean he doesn't have any money. No, we are not talking about money. Poor guy, it means I feel sorry for what happened to him. This is not funny for me. I feel bad for him. Poor guy. Okay, so you can use a fishing net to catch fish. What else can you use? You can also use a fishing rod. A fishing rod like this. This is a fishing rod. We also say cast. Cast. Cast a fishing rod. Casting the fishing rod, that is easy. But some people can't do it right, like this boy. Oh dear, is this the first time you cast a fishing rod? Oh dear, is this the first time you cast a fishing rod? Oh dear is similar to saying, oh my God. Oh dear. What is this man feeling? What is his feeling now? Is he excited or surprised or is he nervous? He's not excited. He's not surprised. He's nervous. Nervous means a little scared or a little worried. Relax, man. Why are you so nervous? Relax, man. Why are you so nervous? What is this picture? Is that the sea? No, that's not the sea. The sea is much bigger. This is called a lake. Lake. It is smaller than the sea. The sea is also deep. So much water, so deep. What is the opposite of deep? The opposite of deep is shallow. Shallow. Some lakes are deep and some lakes are shallow. Some lakes are deep and some lakes are shallow. What do you see in this picture? That is called a fish hook. Hook. And what is this called? That's a worm. Worm. If you want to catch a fish, put a worm on the fish hook. If you want to catch a fish, put a worm on the fish hook. Disgusting. Disgusting. If something looks very bad, you can say it is disgusting. For example, you can say, it is disgusting to talk when you have food in your mouth. It is disgusting to talk when you have food in your mouth. Do you remember the word nervous? We just studied it. Nervous. What is the opposite of nervous? The opposite of nervous is calm. Calm. If a person is calm, he's not nervous, he's not worried. If someone is feeling nervous or worried, you can say calm down. Calm down. If the weather is calm, then it means there is no wind, no rain, no storms, nothing, just calm and quiet. If the sea is calm, then no strong waves. Here in this picture you see the weather is calm and the sun is shining on the water. Shining on the water. The sun is shining on the water. It means you can see the sun in the water. No clouds covering the sun. Do you remember the fishing rod? The fishing rod is three parts. The stick, the hook, and the fishing line. Stick, hook, fishing line. This is called the fishing line, remember that. You know push and pull, right? Push, pull. Here you can see the fish is pulling on the fishing line. The fish is pulling on the fishing line. Pull on. Alright, you know this word, right? Sleep. If you sleep for a very short time, maybe 10 minutes, 20 minutes, a very short time, then we call that a nap. So a nap is a very short sleep. For example, my grandpa always takes a nap in the afternoon. My grandpa always takes a nap in the afternoon. Notice we say take a nap. Take a nap. Next word is splash. Splash. If you throw a rock in the water, it will splash. Splash. Like what you see here, this is a splash. Some drivers are not nice. They splash water at people. Some drivers are not nice. They splash water at people. Notice we say splash at. The last word for today is ashamed. Ashamed. We studied this word before, but I would like to remind you. Ashamed is a feeling you have when you know that you have done something wrong. You know what you did is bad. It makes you feel bad. It makes you feel ashamed. For example, I broke your bicycle. I'm so ashamed. I broke your bicycle. I'm so ashamed. Alright, now you're ready for the crosswords puzzle. Let's see. Okay, question 1. When you go somewhere and come back. If you go somewhere and you come back, we call that a trip. Question 2. When you feel bad about something you did. If you feel bad about something you did, then you feel ashamed. Ashamed. Question 3. Feeling worried and scared about something. If you're worried and scared about something, then you are nervous. Question 4. Sleeping for a short amount of time. If you sleep for a short time, we say you take a nap. Question 5. This has water in it, but it is not a sea. What is smaller than the sea? A lake. Question 6. It is not nice to talk when food is in your mouth. It is disgusting. Disgusting. Okay, now it is time for your homework. Take a look at the following picture and try to come up with a good description for it. Don't forget to use the hashtag #TheAmericanEnglish on YouTube. Let's see the picture. Alright guys, so this is the end of Chapter 2, 0. Study these words very well so you can be ready for the next video, Chapter 2, Hero. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.